How to select multiple photos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can select multiple photos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, selecting multiple photos may be because you want to create a slideshow or you want to upload those photos to your TikTok videos or posts or something like that, but you're being able to select only one. Now, how do we fix it? Of course, you can open the TikTok app and then you can just tap the plus icon from the bottom here and then just tap on upload. By default, you can only select one. So right over here, let's say you're only being able to select one, but not many. That is because from the bottom of the screen, you have to select an option called select multiple. So right at the very bottom left, you can just select multiple. Only when you tap and check this option, you will be able to select multiple photos for your post or whatever else it is that you prefer. So now you can tap the next option here, and now you can just go ahead and see I have selected multiple photos. So the trick over here is you should not miss this button at the bottom left that says select multiple. If you miss this, you will be able to select only one, as you can see over here. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.